Wondering how to create a nursery that will grow with your little ones? Today I'm sharing my tips and tricks on how to design a nursery that will easily transition with your kids as they grow. Firstly, consider furniture that can adapt to your kids' evolving needs. Choose a convertible crib and a change table that can serve as a dresser after the baby stage. Additionally, opt for larger style seating to provide comfort during the newborn phase and quality time as your little one grows. Opt for neutral wall selections such as paint and wallpaper, but inject color with easily interchangeable textiles like bedding, rugs, and drapes. Here's a hot tip. If you're designing with a theme, focus on incorporating it with elements like mobiles, wall art, baskets, and lighting that are non-permanent. I love incorporating imagination playstyle pieces such as a cozy nook or play kitchen that will provide longevity well into the toddler years. As your child grows, consider involving them in their room design. This lets them feel involved and showcase their personality and interests in a design that you'll love just as much as them.